But in what is Children's Mental Health Week, the England captain has also found time to speak to students back in the UK about physical and mental resilience. Our reporter Alex Howell went to meet him in Munich.
We're a bit nervous in here, Mr. Coleman.
This might look like a normal school day, but it's far from your average lesson.
How you doing? You okay?
They've all gone very quiet.
They've all gone very quiet.
Swapping the changing room for the classroom, Harry Kane is on a mission to get young people thinking about their mental health.
How do you use your mental resilience on and off the pitch?
My resilience has been built up over many years. In life, in football, there's going to be times where you have highs, there's going to be times where you have some lows as well. So just understanding that.
The England Captains Foundation has partnered up with mental health charity Bounce Forward.
What would Harry definitely do before he started? A warm-up.
Providing 17 schools across England with lesson plans and resources to nurture physical and mental resilience. What was it that made you want to get involved with something like this?
Yeah, maybe, having 4 kids now, myself being a father, I look at their future and, the world they're coming into. And of course, with social media and a lot of online stuff nowadays, mental health is a really big thing, and it's important to be able to talk about your feelings and what you're going through. So when I was younger, being released from, one club and having to, have setbacks like that, I had to show a lot of strength, a lot of self-belief, a lot of resilience in those moments. And, I was lucky to have good family around me.
For Kane, family is everything, and this project is no exception.
I know my wife, Kate, has been with you today. I can see Kate. Hi, Kate. We've been on this journey together. We've known each other our whole lives. We've been together since, I was 18 years old. She's at home with me. She's the one that sees me high, she sees me low, she's always there to comfort me. So she has different strengths to give back to the younger generation as well.
On the pitch, Kane has had an electric start since joining Bayern Munich last summer, scoring 28 goals so far this season.
When I made the move, I was excited by it, but of course a little bit nervous as well on how it was going to go. So I've been really proud with the way I've started. So now I've got my wife and kids here since the new year. They're settled in school, they're doing really well. So I'm enjoying it. I'm hoping, I can even improve from the first half of the season. I always try and get better. And, of course, the personal stuff is great, but I've made it clear I want to be winning team trophies, and that's one of the things that's missing from my career so far.
It's really important we talk about these things.
Kane's global appeal means his platform is bigger than ever, something he plans to put to good use.
There's a lot of young boys and girls looking up to me and looking at what I do, not just on the pitch but off the pitch as well. So you listen to your role models. I would have done anything Beckham would have said when I was a kid. So it's just kind of, I hope they can take in some of my experiences and they can relate to it.
Should we give Harry a round of applause, everybody?
Alex Howell, BBC News.